Carbide burr die grinder tool bits, especially those made in the USA with precision and quality, are ideal for a range of detailed surface etching tasks on pumpkins. Unlike traditional carving, which involves cutting all the way through the pumpkin's flesh, surface etching allows you to create intricate designs by gently removing only the thin outer layer of skin. This method reveals the lighter flesh beneath, resulting in a striking contrast and a unique, glowing effect when the pumpkin is illuminated. With the right tools, you can bring to life subtle images, like ghosts, skulls, or any Halloween motif, directly onto the pumpkin's surface. To begin, select a fine, ball-shaped carbide burr for your die grinder. This particular shape and size offer precise control and are perfect for tracing delicate lines and forming detailed curves. Carbide burrs are known for their durability and sharpness, meaning they will glide smoothly through the pumpkin's tough outer skin without dulling quickly. Start by cleaning and drying your pumpkin to ensure a stable surface. If you like, sketch your design lightly with a marker to use as a guide. Hold the die grinder firmly, and with a steady hand, gently touch the burr to the pumpkin's skin. Apply light pressure and let the tool do the work. There's no need to force it. Begin tracing the outline of your design, moving slowly and steadily. The carbide burr will remove the dark orange outer skin, exposing the lighter flesh beneath, but it won't cut all the way through the pumpkin. This technique is perfect for creating ghostly faces, intricate skulls, or even delicate spider webs. The fine ball burr allows you to add subtle shading and texture, giving your artwork more depth and realism. One of the advantages of using a USA-made carbide burr is its precision manufacturing. The tool maintains its sharpness, allowing for consistent, clean lines without snagging or tearing the pumpkin's skin. The result is a neater, more professional look compared to using knives or other less specialized tools. You can even vary the pressure or angle slightly to create different depths and textures, bringing your Halloween designs to life in a whole new way. Safety is important when using power tools, even for creative projects like pumpkin etching. Be sure to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from tiny bits of pumpkin skin and secure your pumpkin on a non-slip surface. Take your time and enjoy the process. Surface etching is as much about patience and creativity as it is about the right tools. Once you've completed your design, wipe the surface gently to remove any debris. Place a candle or LED light inside the pumpkin and watch as your etched images come to life with a soft, eerie glow. The subtlety of surface etching means your design will be visible in daylight as well as after dark, giving your Halloween display extra versatility. Using carbide burr die grinder tool bits for pumpkin etching opens up endless creative possibilities, from classic Halloween themes to personalized messages or even intricate patterned borders. Their durability ensures you can use them season after season, and their precision makes them the perfect choice for both beginners and experienced pumpkin artists alike. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to try your own surface-etched pumpkin designs this Halloween, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials and tool guides. We'd love to see your Halloween masterpieces, so be sure to leave your comments below and share your pumpkin etching ideas with us. Happy Halloween and happy carving!